The Sustainable Development Goals, and these are needed to be incorporated in your research. Select only what is relevant for your research. The Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, are a set of 17 goals established by the United Nations in 2015. These goals aim to address various social, economic, environmental challenges to achieve a more sustainable and equitable world by 2030. The SDGs cover a wide range of issues, including poverty, hunger, health, education, gender, clean water and sanitation, affordable and clean energy, decent work, economic growth, industry innovation, and infrastructure, reduce inequalities, sustainable cities and communities, responsible consumption and production, climate action, life below water, life on land, peace, justice, and strong institutions and partnerships for the goals. Each goal has specific targets and indicators that countries and organizations can use to track progress and measure their contributions. The SDGs provide a framework for governments, businesses, civil society, and individuals to work together and take action towards a more sustainable future. SDG 1, or Sustainable Development Goal 1, is focused on ending poverty in all its forms everywhere. The goal aims to eradicate extreme poverty and reduce the proportion of people living in poverty by implementing social protection systems, ensuring equal rights and access to resources, and promoting sustainable economic growth. It requires a comprehensive approach that addresses the root causes of poverty, promotes inclusive economic growth, ensures access to basic services, and empowers marginalized groups. It also involves creating opportunities for decent work, promoting financial inclusions, and strengthening social safety nets. Zero hunger is a second Sustainable Development Goal, SDG 2, set by the United Nations. It aims to end all forms of hunger and malnutrition by 2030, ensuring that everyone has access to nutritious food all year round. This goal is crucial as food and nutrition are fundamental to health and well-being. To achieve zero hunger, it requires sustainable agricultural practices, support for small-scale farmers, and equal access to land, technology, markets. It also requires international cooperation to ensure investment in infrastructure and technology to improve agricultural productivity. By working together or towards SDG 2, we can create a world where everyone has access to high quality food to lead a healthy life. Sustainable Development Goal 3, or SDG 3, is about ensuring healthy lives and promoting well-being for all at all ages. Its broad goal that encompasses a wide range of health-related issues, from reducing maternal and child mortality to combating diseases and ensuring access to healthcare services. Achieving SDG 3 requires significant efforts in strengthening health systems, improving sanitation and hygiene, increasing access to physicians, and coordinating global efforts to reach and develop vaccines and medicines for diseases that primarily affect developing countries. This goal is to ensure that everyone, everywhere, can enjoy the highest standard of health and well-being, which is essential for sustainable development. SDG 4, or Sustainable Development Goal 4, focuses on ensuring inclusive and equitable quality education and promoting lifelong learning opportunities for all. It recognizes that education is a fundamental right, it's a fundamental human right, and a key driver for sustainable development. To achieve SDG 4, it is essential to address barriers to education such as poverty, gender inequality, lack of infrastructure, and inadequate teacher training. It also requires promoting inclusive and equitable education systems that provide opportunities for lifelong learning and skill development. Quality education is not only or does not only empower individuals but also contributes to poverty reduction, economic growth, and social cohesion. By investing in education and ensuring equal access to learning opportunities, we can create a more inclusive and prosperous society. Goal 5, Gender Equality. It's a fundamental human right and a key aspect of sustainable development. It is a principle that every individual or that all individuals, regardless of their gender, should have equal rights, opportunities, and access to resources and decision-making processes. Achieving gender equality is not a matter of fairness and justice or social justice, but it also has significant benefits for society as a whole. When women and girls have equal access to education, healthcare, employment, and political participation, it leads to positive outcomes such as poverty reduction, economic growth, improved health and well-being, and more inclusive and peaceful societies. Here are some key aspects and targets related to gender equality: ending discrimination and violence, education and economic empowerment, political participation and decision making, sexual and reproductive health and rights, gender norms and stereotypes. By promoting gender equality, we can create a more just and inclusive society where everyone, regardless of their gender, has the opportunity to reach their full potential and contribute to the well-being and progress of their communities and the world. Goal 6, Clean Water and Sanitation. Clean water and sanitation is a critical aspect of sustainable development and is addressed or under Sustainable Development Goal 6. SDG 6 aims to ensure availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all. Some key targets of SDG 6 are universal access to water and sanitation by 2030, water quality and efficiency by 2030, integrated water resources management by 2030, water-related ecosystems by 2020, then participation and capability building support and strengthen the participation of local communities in improving water and sanitation management. Access to clean water and sanitation is vital for human health, dignity, and overall well-being. It is essential to prevent waterborne diseases, reduce child mortality, improve health practices, and promote gender equality. Additionally, sustainable water management is crucial for preserving ecosystems and ensuring the availability of water resources for future generations. By working towards SDG 6, we can ensure that everyone has access to clean water and sanitation facilities, leading to improved health, enhanced livelihoods, and sustainable development. Thank you very much and watch for the next slides to come.